Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems, home of the Access Point heat exchangers and Blue Baron truck mounts. And here we have the fully finished 36 SE. It's August 2021, and we built a beautiful tank for it as well. They're bidirectional tanks, which means that the inlet and the outlet can be interchanged. And what's important about that is if you have a right-sided inlet coming into your blower, you're going to want to use the right side of that tank. If you have a left side, just as we do with the compact series that comes in on the left, you're going to want to use the left side as your inlet coming from your tank. So these have been made in such a way they're bidirectional. It made more sense to do it this way, and the installation is a lot easier. And as you can see, there's a pedestal on that side and one on that side, which means that the inlet can be on this side where you have the debris housing, with the aluminum housing, with the debris basket, and this filter can come on this side. Of course, we have the cam locks that we use to quick connect and make it for easy maintenance. Everything in here is totally been built in a way of high quality, lifetime warranty tanks. We're very popular on the internet, so when you Google carpet cleaning truck mount recovery tanks, we are usually on every page you'll see through our truckmountstore.com. So this 36 is just really high quality, just like all the others. It's got the 23.5 horse Kohler, all stainless header, 3LR blower, all stainless heat exchanger, 3,500 pounds pressure rated. The other manufacturers, they can't get high pressure because they're using copper coils. So you're going to be able to get full functionality out of this unit. Do the high pressure jobs, don't turn down jobs. Money is money, and you want to make as much as you can with this unit. Okay, for every dollar you put into this, you want it to come back 100-fold. So these, as you can see, everything's all stainless. We got a post heater at the bottom, all stainless, 3,500 pounds pressure rated. A total of 120 feet of 3/8 stainless tubing, high pressured. As you can see, everything's easy to get into. Look at this. Easy. No louvered covers, no high heat, no coupler, rubber coupler that can explode in your face and put you out of a job. So you have these belts that are way more forgiving, and they last a long time. They're super high quality industrial belts. And as you can see, we have a drain for our water pump, a drain for our engine. We got accessory hookup here so that if you want a wastewater pump out or freshwater pump hookup, whichever way, you have convenience outlets here that will help you in hooking up accessory devices. And of course, we got protection here for your hands all the way around. This is just total quality. Even the stainless, a lot of these people using rubber, low PSI type hoses. We use high quality stainless braided, 3,000 pounds pressure rated, 500 degrees rated, so they can withstand a lot of punishment. All our thermal lines in the back, including our drain line, are all stainless right here. And this is 3120069 serial number. And this is going to Alabama. It's a beautiful unit, came out really nice. I put a lot of time into everything that I do. I've been doing this 15 years. I know what I'm doing. I enjoy what I'm doing. Been in the industry for 41 years, since the early 1980. Any color that you want, you name it, you get it. Working man's gray, orange, whichever will enhance your overall advertisement for your business, and the trademark color that you use in all of what you do. So we'll make it work for you. And we are the type of factory that we can work outside the box and get it in any color that you want. As you can see, we had another unit that had just gone out a week or so ago, and that was a 45 SC. It was all orange, came out beautiful. We have more orders coming in, and right here we have Another unit being built for a 45 Combat 45 series. Then we have one for a 36 series. We'll be done with this very soon. That will be powder coated, as you can see. The infrastructure is put together in such a way that it brings rigidity. It's all TIG welded with 308L rod, so it's TIG welded beautifully. Over there we use our TIG welder. We have a couple of them. Everything is augmented from this base. So we build on the 3/16 carbon steel angle 3-inch. Then we build in the infrastructure. There's infrastructure that is put in on the inside, lip. This is taken and put up like this and supported and TIG welded. We have infrastructure, bottom rails, feet brackets that are 3/16 thick for an easy mounting. So, and just, like this is 1/4 plate, just as that larger unit that you just saw, that has same quarter plate, except this is more narrow by 10 inches. So if you want a skinnier model unit, we can work that in, because that's the purpose of the compact series. Some people like the large console, a little bit of a different footprint, but other than that, they're all built the same, except for the size. Down here we have post heaters for the winter months. On this unit, we do not have that because our heater goes at the bottom, but everything is super good heat, and there's a very short path on these compact series for it to go straight through there and into the inlet of your heat exchanger. So we get excellent heat on every one of these units. They're just totally awesome heat and suction. And what I wanted to say is that the inlet is contours with a normal pipe convention when this was manufactured. So if this is 2.5, this is a 3LR blower, which is equivalent to a 36 Roots or 3006 Tuthill. Having said that, you want to use the straight pipe convention that is existent in this thread size. So you want to make sure it's 2.5. A lot of these companies will take the pipe and they'll reduce it down where they have a fixed conduit on the inlets, and those fixed conduits reduce your inlet air supply. You don't want to choke off any of the air coming in, and you want it to be able to go straight out and straight into your silencer in order to give you full CFM potential. And the more CFM you have, the better lift you have, because the inverse of CFM is lift in the form of HGs and mercury lift. So measured in inches. So the more inches you're pulling, the more water you're drawing from your carpets or from where your work area is. Even during flood recovery, it's all the same, but you want your carpets to dry real quick. And that's the thing about Blue Baron. Not only this open concept, easy breathe, free flow system, nothing ties down the vacuum system, as other manufacturers will tie it down with post heaters, obstructions, which create differential high heat and low CFM. And again, the lower the CFM, the lower the pull, the lower the inches of pull that you need in order to dry those carpets. So that's what's made us so successful in this business, is the open concept, our patented access point heat exchanger, 3,500 pounds pressure rated, so you can get full capability out of this machine, up to 3,000 pounds pressure. Everything about it is going to give you what you need for the money. And in today's economy, you want the most you can get for your money. You do not want to turn down pressure washing jobs, especially where a lot of places are going into tile and concrete, and the carpets are not going to be an issue. If they have carpets, great. If they don't, it's not going to matter, because this machine can do everything. And that's the most important part of our Blue Baron truck mounts. And we also have a smaller tank, which is 60-gallon. Typically, most people want the 100-gallon, but we can build them also in the 60-gallon as well. We can also convert our tanks into water tanks, just to let you know. So in the event that you need a water tank and you can't get one in the marketplace, just call us and we can adapt one of our tanks into a water tank. It has the anti-slosh, baffles that are going across, full capability. We would just plug off whatever inlet and outlets that we don't need. We have a seal at the top, and that is another possibility for this tank. But predominantly, we use it for a recovery tank. So call us today at 727-505-2989, and we'll answer any of your questions. We're open 6 days a week, and we look forward to hearing from you. And visit us on our store at truckmountstore.com 24/7. My name is Pete Garland. Thank you.